Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. It's been a while since I did an unboxing because it's just too hot to think clear. But these two I want to do. This one has been laying at home for over a month actually, and I haven't opened it. And that is not good. You should open right away to see that everything is correct. So I had, or I still have a New Year's resolution. 3 rules to go by. Don't buy anything that you don't need. Don't buy anything that you really don't want. And don't buy anything that you're not even curious about. But that got kind of boring after like 5 months or so. But I kept it for about 5 months. After that, everything I have bought has ended up on sale during the delivery time to get to my home. Everything. So you used to really poke at me for breaking my New Year's resolution. So yeah, the shoes, that's because of FedEx. It took like several weeks, a month to get them, I think. This is a Jordan Jam Monogram bag from BSTN, and of course I got a story about that one as well. So I like the Jordan Jam Monogram bags. I highly recommend them. I like them a lot. I have a bunch of them, but I mainly just use 2 of them actually. And when I saw these, I'm probably gonna post pictures in suede, I really like them. But when will I use a duffel bag of suede? I don't even use my shoes out of suede because it can rain anytime in Sweden. And I wanted the blue one more, I thought, and I was hoping that at least the handle wasn't suede, but yes, it is. I don't know if it's real suede. I don't think it is because then it would be more expensive. So some kind of numbuk, yeah, numbuk, not suede. But to get to my story, smells nice. Got that luxurious look and feel of it. And maybe it will not be as sensitive as I thought because it's numbuk and not suede. So I saw them a couple of months ago. Let me put something in it. So I saw them a couple of months ago, I think it was. And I was hoping that the handle wasn't suede, but yes, it was. And I just thought, Pierre, you can't buy a suede duffel bag. You won't ever use it. You don't have any place to put it. Skip it. You don't need it. You don't, yeah, skip it. It looks good, but you won't use it. But they were still triggering me. I wanted it, sort of. On Nike EU site, they only had one of them. I don't remember if it was the Cognac one or the blue one. But I wanted them both. And then on Zalando, they both was on sale for like $100 each. Great price. Great price. I really regret not buying them. So I put them in my basket. Wanted the Cognac one. This is the one that I think looks the best. The blue suede one. I don't know. I'm probably going to get it. I don't know. I put them both in my basket, and I just thought I don't have any room for them, and to buy 2 bags that I won't use, that is just stupid. Even if they are cheap and on sale, that is just stupid. So I skipped it. A month or so passed. They were sold out everywhere. Kept looking at them from time to time because I often get compliments when I'm wearing using my Jordan Monogram bags. So I often recommend it to people, send links to people, and so I keep looking at them from time to time. And this one go for resale prices on StockX. Nuts, but yeah, it looks luxurious. The price in Sweden is about $150, €150, maybe a little bit more. But on sale, it was $100. I really regret not buying them both there. So this one was sold out. The blue one was back to full price. I found this on BSTN for full price, maybe a little bit more even, with exchange rate, yada yada yada. So 155 euro plus shipping. I don't know, 155 plus 16, whatever that is. So I paid full price plus some more instead of buying them for sale like a month earlier. It got home to me quite quick. During those days, BSTN right now at the moment still have them on sale and with a temporary discount code as well. So now on BSTN, they go for, with shipping, 107 euro. Yeah. And that sort of irritates me because I still hadn't received the bag when they put it on sale. So I should sort of return it and buy it again because it's like 30% of the price. But now I have it. It looks good. It looks actually slightly smaller than my other 25-liter bags. This is the 25-liter. They also have it in 40 liters. The 25-liter is a size that I recommend for everyday use. And it's numbuk, it's not suede. In Suede, it would cost 10 times more. So it's really soft, looks luxurious with the gold zipper and gold logo. Looks really nice. And it can probably take a little bit of rain stain water drops without looking too damaged, I think. And what I was mostly worried about is because you have grease and moist on your hands, that this handle will be messed up earlier, but I think they will look good. I think I will use it. And it smells good. And I will absolutely get the blue one as well. I really don't have anywhere to put them. The last Jordan Jam Monograms bags are just laying on the floor. I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, I have a bunch of videos of them. I haven't seen a video of these Suede ones actually. So maybe I should just do the video without talking a bunch. But hey, that is how I do my unboxing videos. I talk about personal things. BSTN has it on sale. It's sold out everywhere else. They go for resale prices on StockX for like $350. And so yeah, check BSTN out and buy it for yourself. Don't be a reseller. Let me get another one because it looks slightly smaller. Maybe used because of the color. No, it's the same. So this is my everyday carry bag. I have a bunch of things in it. And this one is sort of similar in color, sort of. Still that classy, good looking. I actually only use this when I drive my Polo Green C4 Corvette. But yes, in size, it's same size, 25 liter. Good for everyday use, actually. I have a bunch of things in this. I have a bunch of videos of them. I have videos comparing 40 liters with the 25 liters, etc., etc. So check them out. Now I don't know where to put it. Thanks for watching and listening to my complaints about not buying things on sale nowadays when everything is on sale, but I just miss it. Really annoying.